Hi guys, and welcome back to Hungry Forever Bangalore. I'm Cucina, and today we're here at the ITC Gardenia at their fine dining Italian restaurant, Ottimo. We're here to try out an 8-course menu set by Chef Chirag, and we can't wait to see what he's got in store for us. So let's go ahead and check it out.
Buonasera, my name is Chef Chirag Sehgal and I head Ottimo Cucina Italiana at the ITC Gardenia, Bengaluru. Taking into consideration about the dishes that were served tonight were the pan-seared Hokkaido scallops, which were paired with a rum and orange sauce, a 90-degree yolk and Ositra caviar. Talking about the main course, that would be the lamb loin, a classic lamb loin presented in a very modern fashion with extra virgin olive oil, arugula, parmesan shavings and even the sarcherry jus. With the dessert was the tiramisu, which is served in a very different manner, where we taken the concept of feeding you the first bite and reconstructing the complete dish onto a spoon and feeding the guest the first bite.
So one of the things that we really enjoyed about dining at Ottimo is that they use modern and classic Italian techniques and apply them to local produce. We also really enjoy the set menu options that they have available. If you're gonna dine here, we suggest that you try the cauliflower soup as well as the lamb medallion and of course the tiramisu. It's served up in a super unique and exciting way that you absolutely must try. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube as well as follow us on social media. And as always, stay hungry!